welcome to another episode of Abang Goreng.
So today we're gonna do another edition of the Reminiscing Ramadan, and we're gonna do with takoyaki. Takoyaki, it's mainly a festival dish back in Japan, so you can draw some similarities here where we eat takoyaki. We can find takoyaki at bazaar stalls mainly.
This takoyaki is actually by Yummy Takoyaki. They can be found in the East Village at Simpang Bedok.
Less talking, more eating. We're gonna head down straight for the OGG, original takoyaki. Okay, so we're gonna start with the OGG. It actually contains 2 hot dog, 1 mushroom, 1 octopus and 1 prawn. It's not enough for everyone to share, but we just take.
There's 5 what? There's 5 what?
No, I say in terms of the each individual.
Okay lah, we just draw lots. We draw it. Ayo, I'm left with
So it might be 100%
mushroom. Where got mushroom?
Got one mushroom inside.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
It tastes like hot dog bread with sauces.
like condok lah. That's what we eat. I guess it's what you expect of because my only reference point is bazaar takoyaki.
Yes.
And those usually are small in size, and you buy more volume. And this is just a few with really big balls. So
Literally,
yeah, literally big balls.
So
So
what ingredient do you get?
another tentacle, bro.
Oh, octopus?
Yeah, octopus.
You?
Kena prawns.
Prawns?
Mushroom.
Actually, I still don't know.
You know, one of the issues I think, sometimes when you go to bazaar, then you say, okay, I want one of these, but in the end you eat all taste the same.
Yeah.
Right, so it doesn't really matter. This, there's some distinction because the ingredients are a bit bigger. And it's nicer lah. I mean, it's what you expect from a premium takoyaki.
It's like you know what you're eating because you can see the ingredient.
Yeah.
Sometimes they just put like one small bit, like the taste only.
Just the idea.
Essence.
Just the idea. only.
Idea is there,
The idea is there. Idea.
They tease you with your money. $5, I give you 1 small piece.
Okay, so shall we rate the original?
I'll give it a mangkok.
I think I'll give it a 1 because it is what it is lah.
Same, I'll give
Like
it.
you know what to expect.
Same, I'll give it 1 mangkok.
So all in all, the OGG Yummy Takoyaki has a grand score of 3.5 mangkok. Because I give it a 1 also.
Wow, good deduction. He actually said the total, then he compared.
No lah, honestly I give it a 1 because it is what it is.
It is what it is.
So right now we'll be moving on to the chili tuna takoyaki. Let's take a look at it. Oh,
It's a big boy. It's big balls.
like big How much is this?
This is $10.
For the chili tuna it's $10.
Yep.
And the original one is $4.
Little bit pricier, so let's see how it turns out to be.
But you do get more for your money lah, that's for sure. So some descriptive aspect of the dish. You can obviously see more red flakes on it. I don't know, is it
Like chili flakes.
chili flakes?
Yeah. What's this?
Bonito flakes. So for those who don't know, this is not onions. This is flakes, bonito. Bonito is actually a fish. So this is like dried fish shavings.
Yeah.
Let's say.
If you take the filling of a sardine curry puff and you put it into the takoyaki filling, this is what it is.
It's more soggy lah.
But the
it's
filling
chewy.
is like the sardine curry puff.
Yeah.
It's very.
It's worth the spice.
It's very nostalgic in a way where it reminds you like you're eating curry puff but like modernized.
Yeah. Something about it is old and new at the same time. Future nostalgia.
Walao, it coin such words.
Oxymoron, bro.
But one thing that I actually would like even more if the takoyaki is crispier, like the burnt edges as what you expect when buying those takoyaki from Ramadan Bazaar.
I mean like crunchy on the outside, chewy on the inside. Two, wait.
8 should be 8 inside.
8 pieces.
There's 4 inside left. 2, 1, 1, 2. How much?
10
Sorry, long day at work. Nothing in you.
Hey, what you do at work? Counting, right?
Whatever I do, I work professionally. It's all left behind. Bro. It's just food for today or tonight.
That's food for thought for you.
Shall we rate?
I give it a 1. More ball please.
1 mangkok also. Still got more, right?
1, but you can have my share.
So all in all, the chili tuna from Yummy Takoyaki has
4 mangkoks.
Really good.
Now moving on to the next dish. This is the premium Chico Idako cheese banjir ding dong.
You like muffin kau ding-dong your mouth.
So it's 5 pieces, $16, and it has the baby octopus. They banjir with all the cheese, as you can see with the nacho cheese.
My main aim for this dish is to tell you guys if it's worth $16 or not.
Yes.
This better open the door, man. Like
That's like 1 octopus for $3 eh.
really.
$3 you can eat 1 plate of chicken rice eh. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's see if this thing is worth $3.
So one go.
1, 2, 3, ding dong!
Oh, it's wrapped around the takoyaki ball.
Oh, shit.
I thought that was the head of the octopus.
Nah. Octopus this size only.
I don't know, it's just plain. It's just cheese, octopus and the flour. That's all. There's nothing too fancy about it. Okay lah, I mean have to admit lah, the sotong is nice lah, but to drench it with cheese and to pay for premium price, nah.
I think me and Rouge are on that line where it's just the fact that you're 16. If it was below $16, I tell you, it would be worth it.
it's really
How much
worth
would you pay for it?
10.
$12 I will pay.
You will pay?
I'll pay around 10.
Yeah.
$8 I might not even pay for this.
And one thing is they never held back on the cheese. And the cheese is like not those like diluted type of cheese.
Pirated cheese,
Pirated cheese.
I mean, it's pirated cheese. It's good pirated
But it's
cheese.
good pirated cheese.
That one have to give it to them.
Yeah lah.
But have to give it to them for the creativity also. Because normal takoyaki, right, they use like blanched octopus. So you can only flavor the water. But with this, they use a marinated octopus.
Yeah.
So that brings in more added flavor. So with that, I'm gonna give it half a mangkok. Yeah, the other half is gone because the price is ridiculous to me lah.
I'm just gonna give my vote purely based on taste, and it's 1.
Same purely based on taste is fun mangkok.
I'll give it a half, not because of the price, but it's nice. I have to give it it's nice lah. But I do. But was it fried? The octopus?
No, the octopus is not fried.
It's not fried, it's
Octopus
like
is boiled then marinated.
Alright, the grand score for the premium Cuko Idako cheese banjir ding dong is 3 mangkoks. Ding dong!
As we crescendo to the penultimate dish, we have this dish called the
Takotella.
Takotella, which is takoyaki and Nutella. It obviously is a dessert dish, so
What's inside?
it's only one way to find out, bro.
Like frozen like that.
Oh, it's empty. It's empty.
I guess it's just Japanese donuts drenched in Nutella.
Oh fuck. Dude, I can literally feel the cavities forming my teeth, man.
Actually, aside from it just being sweet, I think it's quite nice.
It's nice, but it's too much.
Still not gonna pay $15 for it.
I give you $15, bro.
I want some more.
You just said you won't pay $15 for this, but
But you didn't pay anyone.
Wait, what?
So one thing I realized that even we ate all the different types of takoyaki and everything, we never even once complained that it was undercooked. Whenever I eat takoyaki, when you know that the person is in front of cooking and all, I sometimes do get the feeling that it is undercooked. And all.
That's very true.
Just to comment on this, right, I wouldn't get jelak of this. I don't know why. Like, you know how if you eat dessert, I mean, it's technically dessert for me lah.
You know, I think Afiq has a point. Like, there are some desserts where you just have one and that's it.
That's it.
This is kind of like dessert where, because of the lightness of the takoyaki batter, you can still keep going on and on. Unlike like a heavy batter or really dense dessert like a brownie.
My teeth starting to hurt, so
Let's
quickly
Let's play, alright.
I would give this a 1 mangkok.
Oh yeah?
1 mangkok.
1 mangkok.
And all in all, we have 4 mangkoks for Takotella.
So the last dish, we have the ota. We were there buying the food and they were offering ota, so we thought, why not? So this is the fish. Usually for fish, they usually mean mackerel. So they also offer shrimp variation. We didn't get that because they ran out. So I believe this is good.
The shrimp ran away.
Huh? Run away, bro.
You know how they read the scroll then they...
Usually when I go to bazaar, this is the first thing I look for.
Ota?
Yeah.
This looks like quite alright.
Like a
Looks like
JB ota lah, like a typical JB ota.
Cannot, bro. You cannot compare it, bro. Must taste.
It smells nice.
Must taste.
Power! I love it.
This ota has like the right amount of spice. It's not very hard, but it's not like soggy either. Why I tongue so long? What's your favorite dish, Afiq?
Ota, bro.
Okay, let's talk about ota. We have different type of ota. You have the very paste heavy base, you have the flour heavy base, and you have just those really like
Chunky ones.
chunky meat heavy base. This is the flour heavy base, but this is just the right nice of balance.
So it's like not the very mushy kind, but it has like a bit of bite to it.
I think it's the kind of like ota you can find a lot at Ramadan Bazaar or just bazaar in general because it's very easy to eat.
Walking snack.
Yes.
You know what else starts with a W?
What?
Walrus, bro. You know why I say walrus? Can you see it?
Are we gonna read the Ota?
I think you should.
You know what Shari's gonna rate? 1.
Yeah, 1 mango for me.
1 for me.
1 for me also.
And in total, the Ota has 4 mangkok.
So basically, like you realize some of the prices here are a little bit more expensive than normal. It's more mahal because of the fact that these people, so these are all actually brick and mortar stores, so they actually are at East Village. Also, they have a lot of background costs to upkeep.
Don't be quick to judge of the high prices, or don't be turned off by the high prices, because these kind of stores, they want to keep continuing their business, but because they lack exposure or lack the opportunity to go to any bazaar, so they still want to serve great takoyakis, but they have to pay at a premium, so that's why they transfer that cost to the food. But I believe for the amount you're paying is good food.
Yes. Yeah. So if you ever decide to go down there to try the takoyaki, don't forget to get the chili tuna.
Yeah.
And otak.
And otak.
With that, yummy takoyaki is Abang Goreng approved. With that, Yamotak.